Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are back again with yet another review video. So we are back again with another important review video for you guys, and this is a must watch for all riders, guys who are into action cameras, who are using GoPros. This is a must watch for you guys. Watch the video full, don't skip any part of it, guys. So today we have brought a very useful product that you can see over here, which is a dual charger and an Enduro pack battery charger from GoPro. This product, guys, it comes with a portable charging dock and two extra Enduro batteries of GoPro, which is compatible with GoPro 12, 9, 10, 11, 12 as well. 13 it doesn't support because in GoPro 13 there was structural changes in the product, so it doesn't support. So normal packaging, guys. I have ordered this from Flipkart. So Flipkart has this open box delivery, so they have opened it and to see whether all the materials are present inside it or not. But nevertheless, guys, I will again unbox it for you guys and show what are the things that we are getting inside it and should you go for this product or not. So before we start the video, guys, once again, do subscribe to our channel. If you have not done it, pause the video and subscribe it right now to Let's Review with Krish and to all the social media handles to get a full glimpse of the products that we review. So before we proceed, guys, let me inform you this is not a sponsored video, guys. So I'm purchasing this product because I will be personally using this on my recent trip that's coming. So yeah, let me just share the things with you what we have received. Okay guys, let's quickly go ahead and unbox it. So this is a normal packaging in which how this product has come. Flipkart has given it to me. So basically I purchased this from Flipkart. So open box delivery था, तो वो लोग चेक कर रहे थे इसको, तो मैं आपके सामने ये अनबॉक्स करके अच्छे से दिखाऊंगा क्या क्या है नहीं है। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो गाइस, ये 12 ब्लैक कंपैटिबल है, डुअल चार्जर एंड्योरो बैटरीज पे मिलता है। ये वो स्पेशल कोल्ड टेम्परेचर वाला बैटरीज मिलते हैं इसके अंदर, जिसका परफॉर्मेंस और एनहांस हो जाता है। और चलिए इसको निकालते हैं गाइस, देखते हैं क्या क्या मिलता है। ओके, सबसे पहले गाइस एक USB केबल मिला है, USB A to Type C। यहाँ पे GoPro का बैजिंग दिया गया है गाइस दोनों में, अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो। इसको साइड में रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं क्या मिलता है। ओके, बड़ा सा मोटा सा बुकलेट मिला है गाइस, सेफ्टी इंस्ट्रक्शन है इसमें मेंशन किया गया। आइए देखते हैं। ओके, यहाँ पे एक प्रोडक्ट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन इमेज दिया गया है, स्टिकर्स नहीं मिला है गाइस। प्रो टिप्स है कोल्ड वेदर के लिए, इसका इमेज मैं अटैच कर दूंगा, अब पॉज करके वीडियो को अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा। पेपर को मैं अलग साइड में रखता हूँ, पेपर वर्क्स को। मेन चीज़ कहाँ है गाइस? ओके, यहाँ है, अंदर में और कुछ नहीं है। लिमिटेड टाइम वारंटी प्रोडक्ट, MRP मेंशन है गाइस। कुछ ऐसा कुछ दिखता है प्रोडक्ट। तो ये वाला है ड्यूअल चार्जर हब, ये है गाइस। और बैटरीज यहाँ पे वो लोग दिया गया है। ओके, जो स्पेशल एंड्योरो बैटरीज जो GoPro 12 सीरीज से निकाला है गाइस, वो यही है। आप देख सकते हो, ऐसा 2 बैटरीज मिलता है गाइस आपको। This is the USB hub, guys, that you can see that's there. So basically you have the light. Once it's connected, the light indicators will be glowing over here. So you need to connect, you need to take this and you need to just connect it like this. Approximately 3 hours it will take, 3 to 4 hours if the batteries are full empty to charge it full. So this is, it doesn't fall off, it's like this. This is a rubber patch given over here, guys. This is also, you can see, Type C charging point. Basically you see this is a power bank. Now even with the power bank, this gets charged. See, the lights are on, the batteries are not fully charged. Once the batteries are fully charged, from this is currently blinking amber, still amber, it will become green in color. That means you can understand the batteries are fully charged. So with the power bank also, guys, you can charge it. So rather than getting one extra spare of battery, this is better. If you have a 20,000 to 10,000 mAh, if you have a power bank, this will get charged with the power bank as well. It may take some more time to get fully charged, but you will be able to charge it on the move as well, guys. Charging time is approximately around 3 hours. This has costed me 7,000 rupees. I've got it from Flipkart. You can get this at a discounted price around 6,500 to 7,000 at times at Amazon. But when I was looking for this, I did not get this product in Amazon. It was only available in Flipkart. So with that, this was a quick short video, guys, with the unboxing of this dual charger and Enduro battery pack from GoPro. Hope you have liked this video, and if you have any further queries and doubt on this pack and its performances, you can go ahead and comment below in the video or reach out to us in Facebook or Instagram. This is our social media handle, and we would be happy to help you out with this. Till then, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, subscribe to the channel Let's Review with Krish. Until next time, bye guys.